vlog. It's senior service day.
It's like before 8 a.m. It's like 7:50 something a.m. And it's senior service day and we have so many layers on.
Just saw Jasper.
And we like got out of the car and he was like right there. So that was interesting. We're just walking into school.
Demolition.
Oh, we almost hit Cade Boomer on the way in. Yeah, we'll just hold you guys down here. They're all staring at us. Probably because I almost hit them. Okay, bye vlog. We have to go. Hey vlog, we're back.
Vlog that was making us anxious.
They were all just looking at us. We really don't know
They
why.
all looked at us and I don't know why.
Yeah. So anyways, we're just, the sophomores and juniors are taking the SAT today. We really haven't vlogged for you guys in a while.
Yeah,
So we're doing demolition. We gotta wait. We can't be in this hallway with just him. Oh, there's someone else now. Now we can go. So anyways, it's just us and Poops doing some demolition. Abby Decker DM'd her and asked if she could hang out with us because we're the only 3 girls. And then Poops can tell you on the bus about this deal we made with him.
Yeah, he can vlog his little...
We'll have a Poops segment about a contract deal we made. He's all excited about it. So we'll see you guys when we're, I think so. We're just going to the car. See you guys later. Oh dear me. We can't go in. Wait, no, there's a bathroom here. So yeah, it is.
Yes.
Oh, phew. There's a bathroom here, I think.
Testing.
Oh, because of testing. Actually, they haven't started yet. Yeah. Okay, sorry guys. We're just all over the place. But they start at 8:35. Okay, so we just finished our thing with E.T. And then I turned around and everyone was there and I was like, "Where's Poops?" And everyone's like, "Huh?" And then I kind of have to pee. And then Jasper and who was he with? And Brain were like laughing at us. Everyone's looking at us and laughing at us.
The popular kids are like looking at us today.
I don't know why. We're like, do we look bad or something? I'm like, I think we look normal. Oh, it's our band knocker. But anyways, we had this thought while E.T. was talking. We're like, we're probably gonna die today.
Yeah, because like Eli's gonna hit us with like an
He's
axe
gonna have an
or something.
episode insert hitting us. This better be unlocked. Oh, phew. So, we'll tell you guys on our walk back after we pee.
Us in our shirts. We just used the bathroom.
We don't think we look that weird. But we just have our matching shirts
we look
on.
normal today.
We literally look normal. But I guess they don't think we do. So
That's not.
during E.T.'s little thing, we thought that Eli might like kill us accidentally, and then they might have to change the name because it's after this guy that died.
Demolition day.
Yeah, so then the whole school would have to go participate in Kristen and Madeline Demolition Day instead of John Zorha Service Day or Memorial Day. So really hoping the buses didn't leave us. We told Poops to hold the entire bus
Also,
for us.
Poops was like, "Do you want me to get you something from Burton?"
And we thought he meant Burton, like
gas
Burton
station.
Street, because we're literally like right by Burton Street. So obviously we'd think that. But apparently he meant like the snowboarding or like the winter like whatever brand. And then all the hangout buddies got all mad at us when we're like, we don't want like
Huh?
we're not making dog biscuits.
Why do I keep like?
Why is so many weird things happening?
I don't know. Senior service day is just crazy.
Something weird is happening. I don't know what's up, but like something's not normal.
Whatever.
Now Tinsai's staring at us, so it's Josh past to her. What's happening?
Bye vlog. Hey vlog.
Hey vlog.
We're just on the bus.
It's not.
It's Eli and Miss P.
Eli is
my
my teacher. We have a YouTube channel.
You should subscribe. Eli's feature now.
Eli?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
But Miss P's gonna subscribe to our YouTube channel.
She's gonna be like our 40th
subscriber.
subscriber.
On the weekends.
Yeah, she'll watch it for fun. But that's the update. We're just on the bus going to our demolition.
Going to do some demolition. And Poops was telling us about his 500. How he's a winner
We'll
in his
go more in
heart.
detail later.
And she's not here.
Right. Bye,
They're
vlog.
talking.
What was your motivation?
Kristen,
What?
she wants to know what my motivation was.
Were you there?
No, I wasn't there.
Another.
It's a very long story.
Oh.
It's not a different girl.
That's a long story.
A real long story.
A very long story.
Maybe we'll tell you sometime.
Maybe we have plenty of time today.
Yeah,
You're not going to.
we won't be there.
So what?
Poops was gonna tell you guys about.
I was playing so fast yesterday.
No, tell them the whole, like the story you told us. About every. Tell your mommy number 2 about every lap.
Oh.
So yesterday we
So
made
lap
this
one.
deal. If Schmoops went below a 650, he could get a contact in his 500. And he ended up going a 647. So tell us all about it, Poops.
So the first lap, I went up really strong.
Talk louder.
First lap, I went very strong.
You went out in a
I
33.
went up 33.
That's a little fast.
So Rusty, he was giving me a signal. He's like, bro, you gotta cut that off. You gotta go a little slower. And then on lap 3, he was like, I got exactly a 40, right? That's a good timing. I need a 41
He was trying to go
split,
41s.
but I needed the second because I'm not too good at turns yet. And so I was like, 40, that's good, right? I'm going the right pace. The next time down, I get a 42. Ben starts going, you need to go freaking faster, okay? And then I was like, fine, I'll pick it up a little bit. I was going a little faster. I come back, I think I went faster, right? I don't. He's shaking it even more aggressively. And at this point, I want to throw up, right? It's not going good.
You can't do that in the middle of your race.
I know. I'm gonna have to swim through it. Yeah.
It feels like to run every single day,
Yeah.
Then what?
Then what? Keep it going, Poops.
1 second. I'll find it.
His coach is
And
just
then I did
right
42 again, right? And
Uh-huh.
I think I'm pushing myself to my limits, and I'm still going 41.7 and
there. Eli told me that he blacked out
43.
during this whole part and he doesn't remember any of it.
I was just going. I was just swimming.
And then you.
And
okay,
lap
keep going.
lap 3
Close to the 36.
through 15, I
Yeah.
kept getting told to go faster, right?
Huh?
And the last 3 laps, I started.
15, you got told to go faster. So you were way behind.
Yeah, and I
Well,
just.
he went out really
And then I
fast.
just sprinted the last little bit, and I just
He came
barely
in the
got.
36.
I was like swimming, going as
That's not
fast.
enough time to make up for all those lost splits, though, is it?
It
Yep,
was
it
because he
was.
was out in a 33.
And I ended on a 36.
So that made up for it. And then Poops, yeah, you made it in a 647.
647.
And afterwards, what did you yell?
Contract.
He yelled across the field, Uncle Ben, contract. Oh, and what were you thinking? On your last 50, you said that you were thinking that your entire...
I was so tired, but I was going zooming, and on my last one, I was like, this is what I've been working for all season. Imagine telling little Eli last, like, December or November or whenever we started, that this was his reward. And all I had to do was feel like crap for 7 minutes.
Yes, exactly. And now it's the most tired Eli has ever been in his entire life.
And now I gotta do demolition.
Now he's got to do demolition and hopefully not kill us. So, yeah, that was the story of Eli's 500. Oh, and then tell us about your conversation with Jahurler.
Oh, I told Jahurla I really needed to get a 650, right? And he goes, it's impossible. It's your first time doing it. You're not getting it, Eli. And I was like, well, coach, that's pretty mean.
Was he happy after for you?
He was so happy
Okay.
afterwards. Yeah, but he didn't understand what the reward was. So he was like, I still don't understand
What
why
did
you
he
need
say
to do
after?
it. He was like, oh yeah, I saw that.
I
I was
heard you were
like,
telling people it was the most important meet of the season.
do you hear
It
that
was
from
the
Danny?
second chance meet.
No, I just heard that from that Ben saying that.
Oh yeah, I was telling people that. They were like, I don't even want to be at the shave meet. I was like, the shave meet is the most important meet of the year. I got in a tech suit for it.
And then you told Jahurla about me, didn't you?
I said that's why I needed to go fast, but I didn't tell him about the contract.
That's funny. Poops just needs a little bribing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go do some demo. Anything else you want to say, Poops?
Peace.
Forza. Was joining the swim team the best decision you've ever made?
No, second best behind the football team.
That's so good. Yeah, wasn't that your best decision?
That was your best decision.
That wasn't our best.
Just fine for that.
Yeah, we literally could have so many other options, Poops.
And they wouldn't put up your BS. Put up with your BS like I do, though.
Okay, be nice. Bye, Poops. It's been a 5-minute vlog.
5 minutes.
Make a silly face.
Go.
We're demoing. We got some vlogs during the day. Oh, our masks are so dirty.
We're so look at how dirty you are.
Filthy though.
Abby's taking a time
I
lapse.
feel so ratchet, but it's okay.
I took
We found some drumsticks,
and it reminds us of it just reminded us of Dr. B, and this guy kind of looks like him. Oh, we don't want Mr. Newboard to yell at us, so. Here's the hat. He did because we were taking too long of a break, even though I was changing in the front yard without trying to have all the neighbors. So that's the update. This is the house. I would show you the inside, but I don't really want to get in trouble. It's like completely boards right now. And you'll see the upstairs in the time lapse, and you might see some pictures too. Yeah. But we're doing good.
We love
Eli
demolition.
was flexing for us.
Yeah, we got a picture.
I don't even know where he went. We lost Poops in this house.
I don't know where he ended up.
Me either.
We lost him.
Oh, they're moving the fridge.
They're moving the fridge.
Go, guys, go. Oh.
Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog, everyone.
Derek's not being very helpful.
He's not helping with the fridge.
He's too weak for the fridge.
I'm letting them do the work.
Yeah.
They're gonna hit the new door, though. Yeah, there's all of our coats. Oh, wow. Carrying the entire fridge.
There's all of our coats.
Can I keep vlogging them or not?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, watch this cool. Oh,
One,
there-
2, step. Step. And walk.
Step. Go, guys, go.
Let's
Go. We're the cheerleaders.
Put it on the curb. That's where it's gonna go.
We're so good at that stuff. I wish Poops was carrying fridges. Poops, it's hot when you carry the fridge.
Where did he even go? Let's find
We lost him. Should I take Eli? Poops.
Eli.
He's demolishing it. Let me go see if Poops is here. Poops, are you here?
Why didn't you tell us you were demolishing?
We're vlogging. Say hi to the vlog. They're demolishing. He's getting all mad. There's no. So who are you pretending you're hitting?
Probably you.
Me? Eli, you're pretending like you're hitting us? Probably pretends like you're hitting Chad. Go, Poops, go! Look at how strong Poops is. Oh no, they swept dust through that hole and it landed on my head.
Go Poop!
Oh, there's a nail in my foot.
I got a nail in his foot.
What do you call it?
I don't know.
There's something if you get a nail in your foot. It starts with a T. Tendonitis?
No.
Right here.
Tetanus. Tetanus. Eli, did you get your tetanus shot?
No.
No. Okay. Oh wow.
Big voice, look at me. So sad.
Oh, no, not if it's inside where, you know, that as long as new drywall can go up and there's not nails in the way. So, no, it looks, here's a couple right here.
Oh,
Yeah, you can, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry.
I was just dancing.
Wasn't allowed in my day. I'm sorry, really.
Why wasn't it allowed? It was sinful, isn't it?
It was sinful, yeah.
It was sinful
It probably still is, you know? You know? No. Why couldn't we watch television on Sunday? I don't know. I mean, why could we not watch television but my dad could watch the ball game?
Guess I'm just out
As
here
long as he
sinning.
kept the sound down. I don't know.
I guess I'm just out here sinning.
We're just sitting.
It's crazy.
We're just
It's a
taking a
crazy
quick
world.
dance break.
Oh, I think that's great.
Alright.
I just had it setting up here.
One of the wires he has connected.
Oh, did it? Okay. Because this was just all bare like this. And I shook it.
She's got everything that I don't have. How could I ever compete with that? I know you go and change your mind one day, wake up. Got everything that I don't have. It's all
So right over there, that's
so bad.
No, it's not. It's actually like
So
almost
bad.
like I think just a layer of plaster that's stuck on the pipe. So I don't think that's gonna be.
Hey vlog. Poops, come out. Here, Bess, you want to video him?
I actually have this stuff on
Say hi. Say hi, Eli.
Hi.
Alright, now let's put this around.
What are they doing?
We're putting tape over it so people know.
Putting tape over it.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't fall down.
Keep out.
You.
Yee.
Keep out. You're being naughty.
I'm what?
Are you being a naughty boy?
No.
Taking the time out.
You have a booger on your nose. It's on the other side. Let me see. No, it's like on the inside of
Stick
your
your
nose.
head.
Yeah.
Window. You let's.
You got it.
I got it.
I think.
You wanna climb
You got
here?
it.
Climb through.
Can I come up there? It's hot.
Yeah.
Climb through.
Bye.
Oops. That was so cute of him. Bessie's gotta climb the fence now.
I gotta climb the fence.
I didn't go all the way in. I just stayed out. Oh, there's the bus. Oh, guys, here, I'm gonna flip. So we got interviewed by this
We
lady.
got interviewed by this random chick. I don't know
We were
where
like
she was from.
ripping the ground out, and she was like interviewing us, and she was like asking us all these questions. And
She
then
was like, "Why are you serving? What would you tell your best friend?"
"Hey,
Like,
you got out. How did you do that?
Do what?
You got out the window?
no,
Yeah.
no, he didn't.
Oh, he went around.
Usually we're like, "What would you tell your best friend?" Like,
And we
while
just
you're
looked
doing
at
this?
each other. We're like, huh?
Because I was like, "She is my best friend."
I
She-
know. And then the lady was like videoing us. I don't know where that video is going, but kind of awkward. And then they're like, "Why are you
Hopefully
doing
not
this?" And
from
I was
our
like
school.
reading her shirt. I was like, John
John
Zorhoff.
Zorhoff.
And then they're like, "Who's that?" We're like, "We don't really know. I think he had cancer."
I was just like, I think he had cancer.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Doesn't Poops look good today?
he looks all nice and strong.
Stroopies. Give us a big flex. We gotta take our flexing picture.
Flexing picture.
So bye, guys. Just eating. Oh, we ate some donuts today too. We had donuts and now we're eating Cheez-Its.
Yeah. And we're so dusty right now.
My nose, all of dust.
Oh,
My
yeah.
mouth.
It's like I can feel it in my lungs. And we wear a mask all day. Now we're gonna have acne tomorrow.
Even more than I already have. But whatevs.
So
We just helped save thousands of dollars and start a family tree.
we did. It wasn't even that bad. It was pretty fun.
Actually, have fun.
I did too. Eli had a lot of fun, didn't you?
So much fun.
Why?
I got to take down walls.
Aww.
I got to use the crowbar.
You used the crowbar?
Use the crowbar.
Wow.
And we had to figure out how to do it, and it was so fun.
Aww.
And then he had to move around his nose.
I had a boogie because I have a cold.
You have a cold.
I do. Remember when you had a boogie?
Yeah, I do. That's why I was laughing. I don't know if we ever told you guys about that. I don't know if you want to hear. Anyways, we're ending our vlog here. We had a good John
Jorhoff Day. Happy John Jorhoff Day.
I think it's a C. John Zorhoff. John Zorhoff. We didn't die, guys. We're still alive. Eli didn't kill us. We won't have to have Kristen and Madeline demolition day. Ah!
Can't have demolition day. She just ran a red light.
Uh-oh.
Like me.
You ran through in one night. In like 5 minutes. Okay, bye, guys. Say bye.
Where's up?
Fours up.
Say you loved him.
Love spending.
No.
What was going on? Artistic integrity. Come on.
Eli! Eli! Eli, my hair! Just getting our workout in.
We're running after I did a 500.
Yeah, he did. He's following close behind.
Yeah, because she's going to run away from me.
No, I'm not.
She might.
We're just getting such a good workout in. Well, mommy number
Do I
2.
look like Archie?
Yeah, Archie.
She splashed me with, or Benny splashed me with water.
It was really funny. We'll have to show you guys the video. And then Poops dumped it all over Bestie. So then Bestie had to change. And then Poops' entire clothes came off.
Because she pulled
In
my
his
pants.
Galaxy underwear again.
She pulled my
He
pants.
let me though. I did it and then he let me. He was all excited, I think. But now we're just running around Bestie's kitchen together. Oh, there they are. We were just running around together vlogging. He was chasing me. We're playing Follow the Leader. Come on, Poops.
Oh, no. Let me
Thank you. You love her? Maybe we could have a threesome. Just us. Best friend.
I don't know how to do that. I don't have
She's all I wanna be.
all I wanna be.
So.
Bad.
So.
No!
And she's all I wanna be.
All I wanna be.
So bad.
So
Bad.
making me
So sad.
didn't
Think
we could.
make us fast.
She got everything that I don't.
have.
And she's all I wanna be. Wanna.
Be
So.
bad.
So
Bad.
she's got
Everything that I don't.
Have.
And she's all I wanna be. Oh.
All I wanna be. So bad.
What's wrong?
Brownies, Eli. I want to do something to poop.
What's wrong?
What?
What?
Are you thinking of something?
Three's up?
What does that mean? What does that mean?
3.
Why does it say 3?
3.
Both your moms.
No. I'm good.
She's gonna be sad,
She had Benny.
but not anymore.
Well, you can't be like, whenever Benny's not here, you can just go to the next guy.
Your son, honey.
That's not what I do, Eli.
I know. I'm not saying. I'm saying that's why
What do you want for your 3 minutes?
You
I wanna
be.
All I wanna be.
So bad.
So.
Bad.
If you tell us exactly what you want, you can have it.
Say it in your cute voice.
I want to kiss you.
Oh! No, you can't have, well, you can't kiss my lips.
You should.
You're tweaking, Poops.
Speak, honey.
Stop trifling.
Don't trifle, okay?
Okay.
Is that all you wanted for the whole 30 minutes?
Yep.
Oh, well, I guess it won't happen. Don't cry.
Can you come here for the 3 minutes?
No, you couldn't.
She's beautiful.
Thanks, Eli. You're so good at flirting.
What about me?
I'm only focused on mommy number 1 right now.
Eli.
But I want to be beautiful.
And you shouldn't have poured water on me then.
Eli, you poured water on me second.
Is mommy number 1?
Mommy number 2 is so cute. She's
I
so
want,
cute.
I want to be beautiful.
Mommy number 2 is perfect.
I want to be beautiful, though.
Mommy number 2 is beautiful.
Thanks, Eli.
If you guys give me a spa day, we can dye my hair back.
Will you go get dye for it?